Warning, this house might ruin all other lake houses for you. Big water views, tons of personality, and zero boring. Welcome to the Red Roof on Rock Island, 125 Rock Island Lane. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the ultimate lake house. Now this place sleeps 20 people, but good luck choosing the best bedroom. Kitchen, amazing for entertaining. And don't even get me started on this back porch. Let's get busy, we've got a lot to see. An outdoor sauna with a lake view. If you've been dreaming of lakefront living on Lake Oconee, then you've got to come check out 125 Rock Island Lane.